JD 26 here, just your tips and tips and hobbies. And today's tip is about generators, and I want to talk to you about generators and some tips I'm going to give you, okay? You may be a first-time user of a generator. You need orientation, and these are most important things that I found that you should know about your generator. Always throw your main breaker to the off position before hooking your generator up. That's the line from the generator to the house. Okay, so put that main breaker to off on your box. That's the box hanging on the wall. Okay, all right. Do not fill your generator when it's hot. Let it cool down a little bit, and make sure it's outside, not inside your garage. Outside your garage, because it runs on gas, or it could run on propane. Depends. Make sure you always fill it when it's cool, a little bit cooled down, at least 20 minutes. Shut down your generator before putting the breaker back on. When the electricity comes on, you can see if the electricity comes on by looking at the street lights or somebody else's house in the neighborhood, that the electricity has indeed come back on. Make sure you shut your generator down and make sure you keep that breaker off. Disconnect the line from the generator to the house, and then you can put your main breaker back on. Okay, never keep the whole system hooked up and then put the main breaker back on. Okay, that's the wrong thing to do. All right. As far as keeping your generator over a year's time with gas in it, I don't recommend it. I recommend draining it, and using that gas maybe for the lawnmower or some, of the weed whacker or something else. If it, it's not a two-stroke gas with oil in it. Usually it's just, plain old gas. So you don't want to mix and match. Some people have two-stroke weed whackers with oil in it. You don't put straight gas in that. But getting back to the point, I want you to drain the gas from that gas tank of the generator and store it and use it. You could use it in your car even if you want, start it up, run it dry, run the gas out of it, and then you're all set. Some people can put gas additive inside the tank. If you put gas additive in, make sure you put the right amount that's recommended on the bottle for the size gas tank you have on your generator. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If anybody wants to add to this video any good tips, please do. Feel free to. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.